Fall is here, and you may be wondering if you can make a good soup at home. Yes, and in your own kitchen. Here at the Side Guy Cooks, we have a great recipe for you with creamy chicken soup. So let's get started. Let's prepare the chicken. Time for the aromatics. Butter makes everything taste better. Let's build the soup. I'm gonna check the seasoning. And it's perfect. Chicken soup dates back over 7,000 years and is served as both food and remedy across cultures. Ancient China is one of the earliest known cultures to use chicken soup medicinally. Ancient Greece also embraced chicken broth for its restorative properties. Chicken soup is deeply associated with warmth, family, and care. It's the dish many Americans turn to when they feel sick, homesick, or heartbroken. Looks like the soup is ready. Let's get a portion into a bowl or two. Garnish this amazing soup with chopped scallions. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite. Wow, this homemade creamy chicken soup is rich, hearty, and packed with tender chicken, fresh vegetables, and a velvety cream base that melts in every spoonful. I'm gonna have a little bit more. Whether you're chasing away a chill or craving a cozy meal, this soup is like a homemade hug coming from the kitchen. You, your guest, and family will absolutely love it. Let me know in the comments section what you think about this recipe. And of course, the complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Now that's a good soup to make at home. Stay with us, watch the next videos.